From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to SmokeyGoodness 2.0. We might be at 2.1 by now, you never know. Hey, it's been a while since we've been here. Like I mentioned in the last video, which was something like 3 months ago. I've been busy on another channel, but I think we're back. I'm not sure even how to do this. It's been so long, but anyway, long story short, today we're going to do our 400,000th pork loin video here on SmokeyGoodness. Yeah, we're going to baste and inject with this. It's a Huckleberry BBQ sauce. I made a video 4 or 5 months ago that I used a Huckleberry kind of a dipping sauce or a glaze or something, not knowing that I had this. Found this on the shelf. It's a little bit old. Matter of fact, the expiration date, best by April 1424. 1424 was, shut up, dog. We weren't even a country in 1424. Shut up, dog. So anyway, basting, injecting with this. Easy, simple pork loin. Let's get on with it. Stick around. Right, and during the prep, we've had enough time for the grill dome to come up to temperature. I'm holding a steady at right at 350 degrees, maybe a little bit more. You want to cook your pork loin at between 300 and 375 degrees Fahrenheit, based on my experience. All right, here is something that's become a little bit controversial, and I don't care. I got my wood chips. This is alder wood. I like to smoke with alder wood when I'm doing a, pork, something light like this. What's controversial is that I have soaked it in water, soaked these chips in water. And all of a sudden, some people say, do it, soak it in water. Other people say, don't do it, it's a waste of time. I say, I've been doing it this way for years, decades, millennia. No reason to change now. Alder wood produces a really nice light smoke, which is perfect for a pork loin. Boy, look at that smoke go. Let's get that lid down and let everything catch up, come up to temperature. We'll be back. All right, a few more minutes have passed. We're gonna smoke this camera right out. So I'm moving fast. I want to get this on. And make that smoke settle down a little bit, or sit down, whatever it wants to do. And it's starting to settle down. Pork loin number 1, right over that deflector shield. Pork loin numero 2. Boom. And there we go. The hard part is done. And because this pork loin was split right down the middle, lengthwise, it's probably only going to take about 30, 35, maybe 40 minutes to cook. We're looking for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in all the metric measurements or weights or whatever. Temperatures, weights and measures, whatever. So let's see in about half an hour to 45 minutes. Oh man, look at that. The grill dome is so cool. All I have to do is tell it what temperature I want it to operate at, and look what happens. I said 300 degrees and the grill dome responded in kind. Love this thing, even after all these years. Okay, since I'm only running a temperature of 300, my range was between 300 and 350. Kind of let this go a little bit longer. I haven't opened this since I put the pork, well, since I basted them about 10 minutes into this. The pork loins, they have been basted again. So my spider senses are telling me probably done. So let's check. Oh, look at that. Does that look good or what? Plop that in there. We're looking for an internal temperature of about 145, 137, 139, 141. Oh, look at that. Can you see that? Turn on the light. 142. I guess the light's on. I've got 3 degrees to go. It's only going to take a minute or so. 139, 140, 141. 4 degrees over here. So for all intents and purposes we're done, but we're going to be done when we're done and not a moment before. Exactly 1 hour mission elapsed time. I know these are going to be ready because I just checked them. Yep, they're both reading about 147, 148, the thickest part of the pork loins. So let's get these bad rabbits inside. Smell really good. All right, let's get them inside. Look at that, see the injection? Look at the juices in this. I'm going to probably drip juice all over the place. Oh yeah, I am. It only took an hour to Nirvana. I know it's Nirvana, I haven't tried it yet, but yep. Wow. This is amazingly good. Makes me wonder, why have I taken 3 months off? I could have been doing stuff like this for 3 months. Of course, I'd be fat by now, but